this week's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 different hairstyles that are inspired by the Y2K style. I guess you could call this like the early 2000s or the late 90s. Here's my best attempt at doing that while doing a lot of damage to my hair. So as you probably saw from the mood board, every hairstyle just happens to be with straight hair, which is the exact opposite of what I have. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly kill my hair. I'll be right back. Ow! Ah! Look, she has a middle part and it's like up in a ponytail, and then she has like these little bangs coming out and they kind of like flare out. So let's try to do that. What I'm doing is parting this ponytail from the middle like that. Like low-key is starting to look better. I'm grabbing these. Just go up. Well, there's the first hairstyle. I honestly really like it. I think it's so cute. If I had straight hair, I would do this look quite often actually, but because I do not, I probably won't be doing this ever again in my entire life. But it's okay because we can cherish this moment. I really like how the front pieces go inwards and then the outer parts kind of flare out. I'm calling this look the mean girl look because I feel like a plastic that would walk through the hallways and push people in the garbage. I don't know, this hairstyle is just giving me a lot of bad bitch vibes. It's like she's sweet and innocent, but like she's also like the devil. Second hair look, I'm bringing out my handy dandy claw clip. I use these on an everyday basis and these were huge in the 20s. So with that being said, I think it's essential that we include a look with this. I'm starting out by pulling out the pieces that I know I want in the front. Clip these. With the rest of my hair, I'm bringing it back. I'm not placing my hair too high just because the claw clip won't work the other way. And then I'm twisting it, turning it, and clipping my hair. I told you guys this look was gonna be easy. The last step is to grab these pink little clips that I found, and I'm just kind of putting them on my bangs. I'm gonna call this hairstyle the Olsen's Twins hairstyle because in the movie New York Minute, I feel like this is what their hair looked like, and that movie raised me. I love that movie to death. I feel like this is a little bit more of the edgier 2000s hairstyle. It's not so girly because I just feel very, I don't know, grungy a little bit with this hairstyle, if that makes sense. The third hair look I think is gonna be the hardest to do just because there's a lot of steps to it, so let me break it down a little bit. So this girl, she has her hair side parted. Oh my God. It's a side part, but only the bangs, and then the rest is like back, and then it's a half up, half down. There's just so much to it. All of this needs to be backwards. Can you see that? Can you see how it's like sideways and then back? That. So this side parted part of the bang, I'm gonna take and like clip down there. Then I'm gonna grab half of like the upper part of my hair, and I'm taking this section and putting it in like a high pony. Ow, that hurts so bad. Because I have long hair, it's not gonna look short and like flared out like this. So with the bottom half of this, I'm also gonna put it on a ponytail, but not like as high. It's gonna just stay rested in the middle. To make it like even higher, I'm kind of like tightening this. Did we just do it? I'm turning back on my flat iron so I can like do the same thing I did last time and make them flare out and make it look bouncy. Be bouncy. I really like this hairstyle. It's so cute. It's really similar to the first one, but the front section, like how it's parted, is slightly different. But other than that, I am absolutely in love with this. I'm gonna call this hair look the Scream Queen's hairstyle because I feel like Emma Roberts definitely had her hair styled like this at some point during the show. I don't really know. I didn't really watch it. I mean, I could also call this look the Ariana Grande look. Hair look, I'm going to be using a headband. I know that these were quite in during that time period, but before I do that, I need to make sure that my hair is so voluminized that like it's up to here, because for this next look we're gonna need a lot of volume. I'm grabbing the Way volumizing hairspray. Ew, this is gonna like make my hair crunchy. Can I just like go like that? Like, will that work? How do I even voluminize my hair? I don't know. Do I just like push it up? We're getting some professional help. Oh my god. This is the most volume it's ever gonna get because my hair is not straight, it's curly, it's not voluminous. It's very hard to just manage, but I mean, honestly, I think we did a good job. That's a lot of volume right there. Now to deal with the bottom half of my hair, because it looks so bland and boring right now, I'm gonna add very small curls, and I feel like this is just gonna pull it together because this right now just looks very boring, not gonna lie. Hopefully the curls will add more to it. I'm curling the hair inwards. Hopefully this will work. No, it's not. Don't you love it when your hair literally holds nothing? Kasane, do it, do it, do it, just do it, just do it, just do it, just work. Come on, work, work, work. She said no. Well, guys, this is kind of turning out to be a bust. I tried to give it a little bit more curl so that it could look a little bit more natural, a little bit more bouncy. Obviously, my hair had to be a and not cooperate, but it's okay. I think we like pulled it off a little bit. I kind of get like Cher vibes from Clueless. So with that being said, I'm calling this hairstyle the Clueless look because I was absolutely clueless on how to voluminize my hair until my mom came in. Well, there you have it. These are my Y2K / 2000s / 90s inspired hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Comment down below which hairstyle was your favorite. And other than that, I love you guys so much and I will see you next week. Bye guys.